Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to switch to the German language setting in Notion. Altering the language settings in Notion is a breeze. Here's a concise guide to help you transition to the German language. To start, click on Settings and Members at the top of the left sidebar. This is your gateway to personalize your interaction with Notion. Once you are in, navigate to the Language and Region section in the sidebar of the new window. This is where the transformation happens. Ready? Click the initial drop-down menu. Select the German language from the options available. Lo and behold, you have successfully changed your Notion language settings to German. Enjoy the seamless experience tailored to your linguistic preference. Keep in mind that Notion continues to expand its range of language choices, so stay alert for more opportunities. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.